Welcome to GuideKid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. So, first of all, just open your Instagram on Play Store and App Store and update it to its latest version. All right, and after that, go to your Instagram account. All right, here we are. Now here, go on top right corner, click on these three lines. Scroll down to the bottom, click on log out and log back into your account. Now, if it doesn't work, what you can do, you can go on settings and you can clear your Instagram data and cache, and after that just reinstall it. Now, if it also doesn't work, it may be possible that the feature is not available in some country. But if it's available, Instagram gradually releases these features account by account. So maybe your account will receive this feature in the future. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.